That's exactly what happened to a Perry Mason wannabe. First, he had the problem solvers in his grill, then he wound up in handcuffs. Not once, but twice. Here's the latest on my problem solver investigation. This guy look familiar? He should. The problem solvers have been dogging him for 2 years, and now he's finally facing some serious criminal charges. More on that after I remind you of his ruthless scam.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
His name is Eugene Garrett. He's an economic predator of the worst kind. Goes around pretending to be a lawyer, takes money from folks, and disappears. He'll steal from anybody. He even took $8 grand from this dying woman and caused her to lose her home. How can you do this to people? When I first busted Garrett 2 years ago, he was under a court order to stop playing attorney, but he was doing it anyway. The problem solvers got him arrested. He was charged with civil contempt. Judge Fred Mester gave him 120 days in the pokey and ordered him to pay back all the victims. But that wasn't the end of it. My story got the attention of an Auburn Hills police officer who's part of a federal task force. He and Wayne County prosecutor Kim Worthy have charged Garrett with felony fraud. 3 counts, each carrying up to 5 years in prison. This guy's been preying on people for too long. I found out he was busted for running the same lawyer scam in New York years ago. Enough is enough. If these new charges stick, hopefully the judge will come down hard on this heartless imposter. We'll let you know whether Garrett gets convicted and whether he gets any prison time out of this. Meanwhile, in the civil case, Judge Mester gave Garrett till July to pay $23,000 in restitution to 8 victims that we had featured in our story. As far as I know, nobody's gotten a dime yet. If Garrett skips out on the restitution, the judge can tack on another $10,000 fine.